Hi guys, how are you doing, my friends? Guys, today is Friday and it's about 11:30. I I'm going to soak some beans. So when we went to Walmart, hubby picked a lot of plantains, and it's gonna get spoiled. So I have to cook some beans to eat, so we can eat it with it because we can't let all this plantain go to waste. So I'm gonna soak some beans right now. So by it's around 11:30. So by 1 o'clock I'll start cooking it. By 3 o'clock I'm already finished cooking. Yeah, that's what we'll have for dinner. Let me show you all these plantains we have here. It's getting spoiled. It's getting too. So guys, look at all this. This. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook some beans so we can have it for dinner. I'm gonna cook some beans so we can have for dinner. I have the washer. I have something in the washer, so that's why you hear all that noise. I have some dishes to wash, so I'm gonna do that. Yes, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wash the dishes, and then after that I will fold some clothes and relax and get ready for the kids to come. So guys, finally I'm letting go of my favorite parts, my two favorite parts. Your time is up, you gotta go. I've been using this part for I just love it. I just love the size. It's I just like the size. I use that a lot, but yeah, I gotta let it go. I have too much parts in this place. I'm trying to let go of some of the pots because I have too much pots in this kitchen. So yeah guys, so I replaced it with this. I love this color. Yeah, is almost done. Hey guys, I'm about to make the stew for the beans. I went and got the kids are home from school, and I was just praying that my son Daniel will take a nap before when he come home, so I can cook my food and just do that little things that I need to be doing. Thank God he's sleeping. So yeah, my friend gave me this palm oil from Ghana. I can't wait to use it. This is real zoomy right there. Thank you, Eunice. Migration in this country that's kept our NHS running, our education service running, and so much more. And then there are all these are free remaining from the home office because people on temporary visas pay ongoing fees. Migrants will also face longer periods without employment. Plantain ready to fry. To fry. Guys, I'm gonna cook some rice. Guys, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready, guys. Yummy. Hey guys, how are you doing? Guys, yesterday I forgot to show after I ate, I forgot to end my vlog, but I'm gonna end my vlog here. So I came from work and I took my shower and I got it's about 9 o'clock right now, and yeah, so I took my shower and I've got in my pajamas. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then I will relax. I will sit on the couch a little bit, spend a little time with the kids, and then I'll go to sleep. Yeah. It feels so good to be home, guys. If you work at night, you understand what I'm talking about. This is my time that I'm gonna be sleeping. And guys, I'm done with buying cheap hair. Like, it's not that you try to buy cheap hair, right? But this hair, I got it from TikTok and it's not all that. So I got some hair from Lisa's hair collections and I love her hair. I just feel like putting on my hair and just eat my breakfast and just look nice for myself. Sit on the couch and enjoy my breakfast and then maybe watch a little TV and then go to sleep. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. Oh yes, guys. Yesterday that the beans and rice was so good. Yeah. So Guys, you know one thing I just want to tell you, my my community, like, you guys are awesome. Like, I just love how you guys know how to support, like, you guys understand. Okay, I just love YouTube, guys. I mean, because YouTube, you meet people all around the world. I have friends from Brazil, Nigeria, Netherlands, Germany, Kenya, India, gosh, UK. How can I forget UK? Yeah, UK, Italy, Canada, Ghana, of course. So, guys, thank you. Danny is giving his dad a hard time with breakfast. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching Chef Ya's channel. Bye bye.